Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this 2019 Ford Escape Titanium. This Escape is absolutely loaded and it is riding on 19-inch alloy wheels. Power comes from a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine matted to an automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. From the side we've got silver roof rails, tinted privacy glass, and color-matched door handles and mirrors with integrated turn signals. Moving around to the front, we have the large raked windshield, which gives you fantastic visibility, as well as fog lights and the chrome-trimmed grille. Inside, we have a whole ton of great features too, so let's hop right in and take a look at what it's got to offer. So jumping inside, if we take a look at the door panel over here, we're going to find our memory settings for our power driver's seat. And down here is our power locks, windows, and mirrors. Right here, you're going to find your light controls as well as your power liftgate button. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our adaptive cruise control as well as your controls for different options you can access up on the dash. And over here on the right, we're going to find our audio controls as well as our hands-free Bluetooth calling. Taking a look up here, using these controls that I was talking about on the steering wheel, we can go in and change our settings. In the driver assist, you're going to find your traction control, blind spot monitor, your collision warning, rear cross traffic, cruise control, driver alert, lane keeping assist, and all that safety stuff. Moving over to the center console, we have a full navigation system. This also is compatible with Apple Carplay. We have Sirius satellite radio and AM/FM stereo and Bluetooth. And then moving down, we're going to find our dual zone electronic climate control, as well as our front heated seat controls. And a little bit further down, we've got our heated steering wheel, auto stop start, rear parking aid, and then we do have the automatic parking option on here as well. If we look up, we're going to find our panoramic roof, and we do have this beautiful like new leather interior. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back. So moving around back, looking up, we've got our rear mounted antenna, and that privacy glass does carry through back here. We also have our rear wiper blade, which is awesome for our BC weather, and we do have a trailer hitch down below as well as your dual exhaust. Back here we'll also find our Ford Escape and Titanium EcoBoost 4-wheel drive badging. To get into your liftgate, we're just going to press the button twice and the power liftgate will open right up for you. We also have factory installed remote start with this Escape, which is fantastic in both the summer and the winter. Taking a look in here, we've got a really nice amount of cargo space, and with those 60/40 fold down seats, you do have options to expand that as well as still carrying passengers. To close up your power lift gate, we're just going to hit that button right there, and you can turn around and walk away, lock up, and be assured everything is secure. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2019 Ford Escape Titanium with me. If you would like to see it for yourself, come down and see us at 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you have questions before making the trip, you can call us Monday to Saturday or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details on this SUV and to browse the rest of our new and our used inventory. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.